Alright, so I had a few questions about how to install the fonts, and so what I'll do is a quick screencast to show you how to do that. So what I have is the fonts folder, and I unzipped it, and then you can see I've got my list of fonts here. So a few ways to do that. One is I can right click on the font, and when I right click on it you'll see the install option, so I can use that to install it. That's usually what I do. That's the fastest way for me. The other option is you can go to Windows. So let's say we go to our C drive and then to Windows up here, and then you'll notice there's a fonts folder, and when you click on the fonts folder all you have to do is drag the font into that and it'll install it. And then yet one more way is to go into your control panel, and if you go in your control panel, I'm in classic view, you'll see a fonts folder here. When you click on that you can add the fonts that way. You can drag them in here, or you can go to File and then install new font, and then you can search for it and then install a font that way. So 3 ways that you can install the fonts. Now as far as the Mac, I don't have a Mac, so I don't know exactly how the Mac handles the TrueType fonts, but I'm sure that somebody can help you out with that.